I am back. I now have two different designs that I created using the first two letters of my first name. And the one thing I want you to notice is that they're large and they use a lot of the space. The other thing I want you to notice is that they do not run outside the square. They need to stay inside the border. And finally, this lantern uses positive and negative space. So I will be using scissors to cut out the shapes. So I need to make these enclosed shapes that I can cut out. This will not work, for example, because I cannot cut this out and put this in the middle. So I already know that I'm going to have to erase that. All right, so now that I have my designs, I'm going to transfer them to my lantern. So the nice thing about tracing paper is that you can flip it over and do the reverse if you need to, which I do need to. If I want to use these letters in the right way, I would need to flip them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start by taking one of these. Note that you have to have at least two designs. Got to have two. You can have up to four, but you have to have at least two. So now I'm going to put this on here. This is actually the back of your design. So since I did two, I'm going to do two of these using this design and two using this design because my lantern has four sides. So what I'm going to do is gently trace. As you can see, it just fits, so that's good. I'm going to trace this over the tracing paper. And then as you can see, it will transfer. All right, and then I'm going to go over the lines so that I know where to cut out. So this is how I'm going to be transferring my design into my lantern. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay. So once again, I'm going to go over the lines with my pencil. If it didn't transfer, I'm going to go over it again. Okay, there I have my design.